were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to a vlog. I just got back from a trip yesterday. We vlogged it, so it'll be the video right before this one. We drove 20 hours out to Colorado. We took all our precautions. I mentioned all of that in the video, so if you have any questions about that, you can go watch it. It'll be right here. Today I thought it'd be fun to vlog kind of what I do to get back on track after a trip. It's actually one of the most fun things. I actually enjoy getting home and getting my life together and getting everything organized. So I don't know if you ever heard of Kaylin Nicholson, but she's one of my favorite YouTubers, and she calls them GYST days, get your together. So I call it get your stuff together. We're having a GYST day today. So as you saw, I got up this morning and been doing all that stuff. And then I got my grocery list together, meal plan for the week, and now I'm going to go get groceries with my friend Emily, and then we'll see what else we get done today. I have a lot kind of in my head that I'd like to get done, so I'm gonna take you along.
In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Yeah, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. 'Cause love is something you two make me believe. There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush, and we don't need to make no plans. You say pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels, killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. In time, something about the way you talk with your hand.
guys, it's later now. It's around 5 p.m. and with my GYST days, I usually like to find a few random things that I don't do very often to try to get done. And I just watched this TikTok of someone cleaning diamond rings at like a jewelry store. So obviously they have like the right chemicals or whatever they use to clean. And I don't live close to where we purchased my ring. So I was like, I should probably clean my ring because I've been married for 2 years now and the last time it got cleaned was like a month before the wedding. I'm gonna clean my wedding band and my engagement ring and show you guys how to do it because I looked up a way and we're gonna see how well it works. Okay, so this is my ring. So, I mean, it doesn't look dirty obviously, but you don't realize like the stuff that gets under it. So I was kind of looking at it and it's hard to tell on camera, but there's just like some gunk under there. And then like in between the diamonds, and then especially on my wedding band, if you can see that, there's just like gunk between the diamonds. So we're gonna go clean our rings. Okay, so the way that I saw to clean it, the best way for the kind of ring I have is just Dawn dish soap and warm water. So I don't actually have like the regular blue Dawn, so I just have this power wash stuff. So I'm going to just spray some of that in here. But it said to not use other kinds of Dawn, like the orange or the lemon, and I just got green apple. So it said to use blue Dawn, and this is the only blue Dawn that I have. And then it says to just literally drop them in there for 30 minutes because apparently that's going to let them soak all the grime off. Okay, so now it's been 30 minutes and I got a soft bristle toothbrush and I'm just gonna use this one for jewelry. So I labeled it jewelry and I'm just going to use this to kind of scrub around the ring. I can already tell it looks like so much cleaner. It did say you want to make sure you use a soft bristle brush, so if you're trying this at home, just be aware of that. Wow, there's so much gunk coming off this ring. I don't know if you can see. It's like green goo, like coming off of this ring from inside the wedding band. So inside the wedding band are like those holes and there's literally just like gunk coming out of it. Oh, so gross. Okay, I was about to dump out the water and then I realized all of this at the bottom. Okay, it's like dripping, but I don't know if you can see all of that gunk in there that came off. Okay, this is a better view, but like all of that was in my ring. Okay, here's the after. So it just looks so much more sparkly, especially the wedding band. Hi, Maui. So it just looks so much cleaner. So it's a great way to clean your rings at home if you need to clean them. And I really did. So now I'm going to edit this video that should be up already. It's our road trip video, so I'm gonna finish editing it so that I can get it uploaded. And then I'm planning on watching some Netflix and drawing.
You and I, in this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when in time. Oh, oh.